Flush the floor shower area made of premium quality steel enamel. More and more people have come to appreciate its barrier-free comfort, absolute hygiene, its elegant, spacious ambience, and the unique brilliance of its surface. BetteFloor can also be installed easily and safely into wooden floors in only a few simple steps. The first step is to measure the overall dimensions of BetteFloor. Cut out the existing wooden floor in the desired place in the bathroom, allowing 10 mm for trimming. Next, a waterproof sheet to the same dimensions of BetteFloor is cut out. Furthermore, a 300 mm hole is sawn out in the center. Now the distance between the sides and the center of BetteFloor is measured. Subsequently, the drainage fittings are installed in the middle of the floor. Then, the waterproof sheet that has been prepared is inserted, then leveled with a spirit level, and secured into position. Please note the thickness of the existing wooden floor is vital for the next installation steps. If it does not come up high enough, it may be necessary to add some leveling in order to lay the wooden tiles flush to BetteFloor. When installation is completed, BetteFloor must be flush with the adjoining tiles. For optimal sealing, the sealing fleece included in the delivery is glued onto the waterproof sheet and joined to the wooden floor with a sealing membrane. Next, PE sealing band is glued onto the fleece for absolute water tightness, sealed against leakages. Now BetteFloor is mounted on top of the sealed area. Following, the floor tiles are laid next to the shower area. The next step is to connect the drainage fittings. Prior to sealing, the shower area is weighted down. Thanks to its precise angled corners, the silicone sealant then blends in harmoniously with the joints between the tiles. BetteFloor, made of easy-to-clean steel enamel, offers unsurpassed hygiene, a brilliant surface, spacious showering comfort without trip hazard, a great variety of forms and colors for individual